we'll guide you through how to contact Dropbox Customer Care. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by typing dropbox.com into your web browser. Once you're there, make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Help link, which you'll find in the footer. This will take you to the Help Center. Now, on the Help Center page, you'll see a search bar at the top. You can type in your issue to see if there's a quick solution listed in their FAQs or guides. But to contact customer care directly, look for the Contact Support option, which is typically located at the bottom of the Help Center articles or in a sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose your issue from a list of categories. Select the category that best matches your problem. If you're a paying Dropbox user, you'll have the option to either chat with a support agent or send an email. You'll be asked to describe your issue in detail, so make sure to provide as much information as possible to get the best help. If live chat is available, you can click on the chat link to start a conversation with a support representative. If you're sending an email, fill out the form with your details and issue, then click Send. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a response from Dropbox support. Remember that response times can vary, especially during peak times. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.